Hyundai Motor Company launched the eagerly awaited IONIQ 6 Electrified Streamliner as the new model in the brand's IONIQ all-electric lineup brand. The Electrified Streamliner's array of advanced technologies, personalized space and features, and extended range redefine the boundaries of electric mobility. The Electrified Streamliner takes advantage of E-GMP to provide an extremely long 2,950mm wheelbase, supported by a choice of 20 inches or 18 inches wheels, with an impressive overall length of 4,855mm. IONIQ 6 seconds 1,880mm width and 495mm height give it a distinctively sleek and stylish appearance amidst a sea of lookalike EVs. IONIQ 6 seconds interior is particularly developed to serve as a comfy and personalized hideaway. The dual color ambient lighting allows a driver to customize the look and feel of the interior cabin by selecting from a spectrum of 64 colors and 6 pre-selected themes. The speed sync lighting mode adds emotion to the driving experience by changing the brightness of the interior lighting in the first row based on the vehicle's speed. IONIQ 6 is available with a range of drive motors and battery packs to fit the needs of every customer. The long-range 77.4 kW battery can be mated with 2 electric motor layouts, either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The top-of-the-line dual motor setup is an all-wheel drive option producing a combined power output of 239 kW and 605 Nm of torque. This PE configuration can go from 0 km/h to 100 km/h in 5.1 seconds. IONIQ 6 is slated to begin production in the third quarter of 2022. The market launch schedule will be announced later.